Imagine a genie in a bottle, but one with an intellect that dwarfs even the greatest human minds. This genie can process information at lightning speed, learn from its mistakes, and perform tasks with incredible precision. This genie, my friends, is artificial intelligence, or AI for short. It's not confined to a lamp, but rather it's spreading its influence across every facet of our lives. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to spam filters in your inbox, AI is working behind the scenes, making our lives easier and more efficient. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to revolutionize everything from healthcare and transportation to education and entertainment. The future powered by AI is a future brimming with possibilities.
AI's impact is already being felt across numerous industries, automating tasks and augmenting human capabilities. In manufacturing, robots work tirelessly alongside human counterparts, increasing efficiency and productivity. In finance, algorithms analyze market trends with lightning speed, making trading decisions in the blink of an eye. And in customer service, chatbots provide instant support, answering questions and resolving issues around the clock. Take healthcare, for example. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images with greater accuracy than human doctors, leading to earlier and more effective treatments. In drug discovery, AI algorithms can sift through mountains of data to identify promising new drug candidates, accelerating the development of life-saving medications. Smart homes equipped with AI assistants will anticipate our needs, adjusting the thermostat, playing our favorite music, and even ordering groceries before we run out. In education, AI tutors will provide personalized learning experiences, tailoring lessons to each student's unique needs and learning styles. As AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine.
Imagine walking into a hospital where AI-powered robots assist surgeons in performing complex procedures with unparalleled precision. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed in their earliest stages, paving the way for more effective treatments and better patient outcomes. This is the future of healthcare, powered by AI. AI is already making significant inroads in the medical field. Machine learning algorithms are being trained to analyze medical images such as X-rays, Connecticut scans, and MRIs with remarkable accuracy. These AI-powered diagnostic tools can detect subtle anomalies that might escape the human eye, leading to earlier diagnoses and potentially life-saving interventions. In surgery, robots are already assisting surgeons in performing complex procedures with greater precision and less invasiveness. These robotic surgeons can access hard-to-reach areas of the body, minimize blood loss, and reduce the risk of complications. This translates into faster recovery times, shorter hospital stays, and better outcomes for patients. AI algorithms can analyze vast databases of molecular structures and biological data to identify promising drug candidates in a fraction of the time. This has the potential to revolutionize drug development, leading to the creation of new and innovative treatments for a wide range of diseases.
Step into a future where your home anticipates your needs, where everyday tasks are automated, and where your living space adapts to your preferences. This is the promise of smart homes, powered by the intelligence of AI. Imagine waking up in the morning to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, your smart home adjusting the temperature to your liking, and your favorite playlists softly filling the air. As you step out of bed, your AI assistant briefs you on the day's weather and traffic conditions, ensuring a smooth start to your day. Throughout the day, your smart home continues to learn your routines and preferences, adjusting lighting, temperature, and even suggesting recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand. Need to order groceries? Your AI assistant can handle that too, ensuring your fridge is stocked with your favorite foods. Smart homes can also enhance safety and security, using facial recognition technology to grant access to trusted individuals and alerting you to any suspicious activity. As these technologies continue to evolve, our homes will become more intuitive, responsive, and personalized, creating a living space that truly adapts to our needs.
Section 5. The Open Road, Reinvented AI, and the Future of Transportation. Imagine a world without traffic jams, where accidents are a rarity, and where getting from point A to point B is a seamless and enjoyable experience. This is the future of transportation, driven by the transformative power of AI. Self-driving cars, once a futuristic fantasy, are rapidly becoming a reality. Equipped with advanced sensors, AI algorithms, and machine learning capabilities, these autonomous vehicles can navigate complex road conditions, anticipate potential hazards, and make split-second decisions to ensure passenger safety. Imagine cities with reduced congestion as self-driving cars communicate with each other to optimize traffic flow. Imagine a future with fewer accidents as human error is removed from the equation. And imagine the increased accessibility for individuals who are unable to drive themselves, granting them newfound freedom and independence. AI-powered traffic management systems are already being deployed in cities around the world, optimizing traffic light synchronization, identifying and responding to incidents in real time, and providing drivers with accurate and up-to-date traffic information. As these technologies mature, we can look forward to a future where transportation is safer, more efficient, and accessible to all.
Section 6. The two sides of the coin. Navigating AI's ethical landscape. Like any transformative technology, AI is not without its ethical considerations. As we embrace the vast potential of AI, we must also acknowledge and address the potential risks and challenges it presents. It's a bit like walking a tightrope. We must maintain a sense of balance, carefully navigating the path forward to harness AI's power for good, while mitigating any potential harm. One of the most pressing concerns surrounding AI is the potential for job displacement. As AI-powered systems become increasingly sophisticated, they are capable of automating tasks previously performed by humans, raising concerns about widespread job losses. It's crucial that we address this challenge proactively, investing in education and retraining programs to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. Another ethical concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are trained on vast datasets, and if these datasets reflect existing societal biases, the resulting AI algorithms may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. It's essential that we develop mechanisms to ensure fairness and transparency in AI systems, mitigating the risk of unintended discrimination. Privacy is another critical consideration in the age of AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated in gathering and analyzing data, it's crucial that we establish robust privacy protections to safeguard sensitive personal information.
Section 7, A Future Forged Together, Humanity and AI in Partnership. The future of AI is not about machines replacing humans, but rather about humans and machines working together in a powerful partnership. It's about augmenting our capabilities, amplifying our creativity, and solving complex problems that have long eluded us. It's about creating a future where AI enhances our lives, making us smarter, healthier, and more connected than ever before. Imagine a world where doctors, armed with AI-powered diagnostic tools, can diagnose diseases in their earliest stages, leading to more effective treatments and better patient outcomes. Imagine engineers collaborating with AI algorithms to design safer and more sustainable cities, optimizing energy consumption and reducing our environmental impact. Imagine artists and musicians leveraging AI tools to push the boundaries of creativity, generating novel forms of art and music that captivate the imagination. This is the future of AI, a future where humans and machines work together, each contributing their unique strengths to create something truly extraordinary. We must equip future generations with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in an AI-powered world. By embracing a mindset of collaboration, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a brighter future for all.
Section 8. The responsibility we bear, shaping AI for good. As we stand at the cusp of this exciting new era, we must remember that the future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we are actively shaping through the choices we make today. It is our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that benefits all of humanity, promoting equality, sustainability, and human flourishing. This responsibility extends to all stakeholders, from the engineers and researchers developing AI technologies to policymakers and citizens alike. We must engage in open and honest conversations about the potential benefits and risks of AI, establishing ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks to ensure its responsible development and deployment. By embracing our responsibility to guide AI's development towards the betterment of humanity, we can create a future where AI empowers us to solve our greatest challenges and create a more just, equitable, and prosperous world for all.
Section 9. A future full of potential AI's promise for a brighter tomorrow. The future with AI is not a dystopian nightmare, but rather a world brimming with potential. A world where technology empowers us to solve our greatest challenges and create a brighter future for all. It's a future where diseases are eradicated, where poverty is a distant memory, and where humanity reaches new heights of knowledge and understanding. Imagine a world where AI-powered systems help us predict and prevent natural disasters, mitigating their impact and saving countless lives. Imagine a world where AI algorithms analyze climate data to develop innovative solutions to combat climate change, preserving our planet for future generations. Imagine a world where AI tutors provide personalized education to every child, regardless of their background or socioeconomic status, unlocking their full potential and creating a more just and equitable society. The path forward is clear. We must embrace AI with a sense of optimism and responsibility, working together to shape its development and deployment for the betterment of humanity.
Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing the AI revolution. The AI revolution is not a distant event. It is happening now, transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. From healthcare and transportation to education and entertainment, AI is already making its mark, and its influence is only going to grow in the coming years. As we stand on the cusp of this transformative era, we must embrace both the opportunities and the challenges that AI presents. We must approach AI with a sense of responsibility, ensuring that it is developed and deployed in a way that benefits all of humanity, promoting equality, sustainability, and human flourishing. By embracing a mindset of collaboration, fostering innovation, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a brighter future for all.